How to Spotify Premium on iPhone. If you want to get Spotify Premium on your iPhone, you cannot subscribe directly through the Spotify app due to Apple's payment policies. Instead, you need to do it through the Spotify website, and here is how to do it. First of all, open Safari or any browser on your iPhone. Now, in the search address bar, type down the Spotify or go to the Spotify's official website. Now, simply tap on the Spotify option available at the top and navigate to its official website. Now, in there, simply tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen. Now, after you tap on the three dashboard, you will get to see premium option available there and simply tap on it. Then you'll be navigated to the premium plan. Here, simply tap on the view all plans option available there. Now, all you have to do is choose a premium plan, individual, duo, family, or student. All you have to do is tap get premium or try for the option available there. I'm tapping on the individual for now. Now, log in and enter your account details of the Spotify. Once done so, now all you have to do is enter your payment details and confirm the subscription. Once subscribed, your Spotify app on iPhone will automatically recognize your premium account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.